Okay, hello there. My name is Mr. Ball, and I'll be going through this slideshow with you today. So this is for your Year 9 options, and I'll be going through the Creative iMedia course, which is run through the computing department. As I say, this is just to help you and give you a little bit more information about what the course is. So there'll be little narrations on each slide. So click on the little speaker symbol and listen to what I've got to say. I'm not going to go over it and read through it all. I'll be brief, and like I said, any questions you can come and see me. Okay, so course overview. So this is it's a Cambridge National run by the OCR. It's an equivalent, so it's whereas a lot of your other subjects will be grades 1 to 9, you will be graded either pass, merit, or distinction for this one. Distinction being the highest grade you can get, or distinction star. Sorry. So, like I said, it's a Cambridge Nationals. It's OCR run, and the course itself. Like I said, it's a practical course, and it's also a theory course. So I'd say it's probably evenly balanced, really, but don't come expecting it all to be practical, because it's not. You will be expected to do a lot of writing, certainly for the theory side of things, and this is for the preparation for your Year 11 exam. Like I said, there's one unit which is it's basically a revision unit, and you'll be doing lots of tasks, lots of writing. I will say, if you're good at the English language, and you like English language, this is another opportunity to use that. The course do sort of cross over. There is a lot of homework as well, and the homework is based on your revision for your exam. So it's not just normal homework. I look at it as revision. You'll get certain assessment points throughout the theory. There's 3 sections to the theory. You'll be assessed after each section, but your homework, you're basically getting a homework every week, and that'll be based on the lessons that we've done, and certainly and how that is done is basically through past papers. A lot of questions taken from past papers, and we record all your scores from your homework as well, and I track that over the 2 years, and this is something which I'll show you an example of if at the start of the course. Now, in terms of the actual work you're going to be doing, it's basically over three things. So developing visual identities. So you'll be doing a lot of logo work with graphics, vector graphics, bitmaps, stuff like that. Planning and creating original digital graphics. That's working with photographs, either your own originals or working with others and editing them, manipulating them, changing them. And then finally, planning, creating and reviewing an original media product. So that could be anything from a design a phone app, a website, an e-learning product, anything like that at all. Okay. Okay, your assessment method. So basically, over the 2 years, you will do 2 units of work, and you can see there the 2 mandatory ones. So these are the ones that you have to do. You've got R093, and that's the exam unit. That's the exam unit that you'll be doing all the theory in towards, and that will be taken in Year 11 in the May time. But we do start that at the very start of year 10, because there's 3 big sections for that. So that's where you're going to do the main amount of writing for that. So that's R093, which is the revision unit for the exam. Then R094, which is the other mandatory unit, which we have to do. So this is a visual identity and digital graphics. So here we are looking at designing your own logos, designing your own graphics, putting them onto a product of some descript, whether that be a leaflet, a flyer, a poster, something like that. Okay, so the 3rd unit is an optional one. So there's 5 optional units which we can choose from. We are currently doing the R097, which is an interactive digital media product, and that can be anything from designing a phone app, a website. Could be an e-learning product, an information point, something like that. Okay, and like I said, all these assignments that I've just gone through here with you, they have different guided learning hours. So we only get a specific amount of time to complete each one. So before we do the assignments, we do some prep work for it, so you know exactly what it is you have to do for each one before we go through it. Okay, so after you've completed the course and you're thinking about going on to sixth form here or college, then obviously if you see the diagram there, they're the sort of qualifications you can go on to do after doing this course. So the school does offer A-level in media studies. If an apprenticeship is your thing, then you could look into trying to find an apprenticeship in the careers department, and the guys who work in the careers department, they will help you with this, and they'll help you with all of this, to be honest with you. The Cambridge Technicals, which is the natural progression from the Cambridge Nationals, which is what this course is. And then finally the T-level qualification at the end there. So yeah, so there's plenty to choose from, and I say, if it's something that sparked your interest, you really like it, and you want to go on to develop it further, then certainly there's options out there for you to do. Okay, and finally, just to summarise it up, I'm not going to read it all that, but if you do have any questions about it, see me in the in the lessons or around school. We will be doing some tasters, taster sessions in the next couple of weeks. Basically, we'll just be doing a typical Year 10 lesson in creative iMedia, and if that, as I say, if you like what you're doing, then obviously this will give you something to think about. But like I said, if you've got any more questions about this, parents, carers as well, can pop me an email, and I can send any relevant information that you require. There is like a specification you can download from the OCR website. Like I said, it's a Cambridge Nationals, and just do a search for the creative iMedia, and you'll probably find it. Okay, guys. So speak to me if you require any more information. Apart from that, thanks for listening, and take care. Thank you.